Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on changing the clutch of your Vitamix blender. This process is essential for maintaining the efficiency of your appliance. Let's dive into the tools you will need. You will require a set of spanners, specifically a 10mm spanner, a Phillips screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. Additionally, have some cleaning cloths and a small brush handy for internal cleaning. First, ensure your Vitamix is unplugged. Safety is paramount. Begin by removing the container from the base. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the blender. There are typically 4 screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base cover off. You may need to wiggle it slightly to free it from any clips. With the base exposed, you will see the clutch assembly. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the base using your brush and cloth. This will help maintain the longevity of your blender. Now locate the clutch. It is usually held in place by a couple of screws. Using your 10mm spanner, carefully unscrew these. If you encounter any resistance, ensure you are turning the screws in the correct direction and apply steady pressure. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and hassle. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the clutch out. Inspect it for any signs of wear or damage. If it appears worn, it's time to replace it. You can purchase a new clutch from various retailers or directly from Vitamix. Ensure you have the correct model number to avoid any compatibility issues. To install the new clutch, simply reverse the removal process. Place the new clutch into the assembly, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws using your spanner, making sure they are secure but not overly tight, as this could damage the new part. After the clutch is in place, it's time to reassemble the base cover. Align it carefully and press down until it clicks into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, securing the base cover firmly. Before you plug your Vitamix back in, take a moment to clean any surfaces that may have accumulated dust during the process. A clean appliance not only looks better, but also functions more efficiently. Now, plug in your Vitamix and test it. Run it on a low setting for a few seconds to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any unusual sounds or issues, it may be worth considering our collection and delivery at your home service. This way, you can avoid the hassle of transporting your blender. Finally, if you prefer to have a professional handle the repair, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. This can be particularly useful if you're unsure about tackling the repair yourself. Thank you for following this tutorial on changing the clutch of your Vitamix blender. With these steps, you should be able to maintain your appliance effectively. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.